Welcome to our guide on sending large videos via Gmail. If you've ever encountered the frustration of trying to send a video file through Gmail, only to be met with the dreaded attachment size exceeds the limit error, you're not alone, but fear not, because today I'll show you a clever workaround that will have you sharing your videos effortlessly. First off, let's address the elephant in the room. Gmail has a file size limit of 26 megabytes for attachments. And even if your video does manage to squeak under that limit, Gmail still compresses videos, sacrificing quality in the process. But don't worry. We've got a solution that bypasses these limitations entirely. For now, say goodbye to the Gmail app, and whether you're using a smartphone or a computer, simply head over to the Google Drive app or website. Once you're in Google Drive, click on the plus button and select Upload. Choose the video file you want to send, and watch as it effortlessly uploads to your Google Drive storage. With your video safely uploaded to Google Drive, it's time to share it. To do so, first search for the video you uploaded, then click on it. On the top, click on the three dots next to your video file, and select Share. Now, you have two options. You can either add specific email addresses to share the video directly, or you can create a shareable link that anyone can access. For me, I'll opt for the shareable link route. Right now, the file is restricted, meaning only me I have access to it. Let's change that and make it accessible to anyone with the link. To do this, click on Manage Access and select anyone with the link. Once you've created the shareable link, copy it so we can easily share it via Gmail. Step 5. Return to Gmail, compose your email as usual, and paste the link into the body of your email. Add a personal message if you like, hit send, and voila! Your recipient can now easily access and view your video directly from Google Drive, without any pesky file size limitations or quality loss. And there you have it, sending large videos via Gmail has never been easier. So next time you're itching to share that epic vacation video or hilarious blooper reel, remember this handy trick. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy sharing!